Hey YouTube, this is Project Setup for Python. I guess we should start by downloading Python. Okay, so open up Google, search for python.org. Yeah. And go to Downloads and download the 3.64 version, which is what we're going to be using in this series. Oops, I downloaded it twice. Oh well. You only have to download it once. Okay, so let's open up the installation. Just hit install now, and there it goes. Come on. This is what always takes forever, where it says it's 100% complete, but it's really not. It's just like stalling. There it goes. Okay, and then we just close. Okay, so now that we have Python installed, we can seriously just open up Notepad and program a Notepad as one way to do it. Okay, so let's do something like print open parentheses and then double quotes and then close parentheses. So what this is going to do is it's going to write whatever text you put inside of these double quotes and parentheses. Whatever you put inside here, it's going to show that when you run the program. So let's say something like hello world. Yeah, there we go. There's our text, and we can just save this now that we have Python installed. Change this to all files, and I'll just change this to hello.py. Make sure the py is the important part. .py. Okay, I'll save that on my desktop. Save, and there we go. Hello. Oh yeah, did you see it? It's already printed off and then just closed off. If we don't want it to close off, we can put input. This is going to make the program wait for us to type something in. So save that. Now when we run it, hello world, look at that. Pretty cool. And we enter and it closes off. Okay, now programming a Notepad isn't the preferred way to program. I mean, it works just fine, but you just downloaded Python and it came with something known as an IDE or an IDLE, as Python calls it, or an integrated development environment, which is basically a fancy version of Notepad. So if we open up the idle, there it is. This is the shell. And now we can just go to File, Open. Let's go to Desktop, and there is our program. And there it's open in idle. And we can hit Run Module, and there's the hello world. And if we hit Enter, it closes it off. Okay, congratulations. There's getting running program in idle. Okay, so thanks for watching, and stay tuned for next time.